Can you express your feelings without translating? Most learners can't. But if you stay with me, you'll master 150 real sentences today.
Hello everyone, welcome back to English Success Hub Academy.
Today, we're going to practice 150 powerful English sentences about feelings and reactions. These sentences are designed for all levels, from beginner, A1, to advanced, C1. They will help you speak more naturally when you talk about your emotions, moods, and reactions in daily life. I've divided this lesson into 2 simple parts so you can learn step by step without feeling overwhelmed. How to use this lesson? In part 1, you will practice 75 simple sentences from beginner to intermediate level, A1 to B1. In part 2, you will learn 75 advanced sentences for intermediate to advanced learners, B2 to C1. Now, let me explain how this lesson will help you. When you repeat after me, your mouth learns how to produce sounds correctly. At the same time, your brain starts connecting feelings with English expressions automatically. With every sentence, your confidence grows stronger. By the end of this video, expressing emotions in English will feel easy and natural. But I have one important request. Do not skip any part of this lesson. Even if part 1 feels easy, don't jump ahead. Think of it like building a house. You must start with a strong foundation. Also, some sentences may feel difficult. That's completely normal. Whenever that happens, I will explain the sentence clearly and repeat it 2 times. This will help you understand deeply and remember longer. If you practice 150 sentences with me today, you will notice a real difference in your speaking. Your speech will become smoother, your confidence will increase, and your English will sound more natural. Now, here's what you need to do. Sit comfortably, take a notebook and pen, find a quiet place, speak out loud with confidence, remove all distractions. Give me your full attention because today your English speaking will improve. Before we begin, answer these 2 questions in the comments. What feeling is the hardest for you to express in English? When was the last time you had a strong emotional reaction? I'm excited to read your answers. All right, are you ready? Let's begin. Part 1, A1 to B1, Basic to Intermediate. Welcome to Part 1. In this section, you will practice simple and useful sentences about feelings and reactions. Listen carefully and repeat after me. I feel happy today. I feel happy today. She looks sad. She looks sad. He is angry about the delay. He is angry about the delay. We are excited about the trip. We are excited about the trip. I am tired after work. I am tired after work. She feels nervous before exams. She feels nervous before exams. He was scared of the dark. He was scared of the dark. They are surprised by the news. They are surprised by the news. I feel relaxed on weekends. I feel relaxed on weekends. She is worried about her mother. She is worried about her mother. He felt lonely last night. He felt lonely last night. We are proud of our son. We are proud of our son. I am frustrated with this computer. I am frustrated with this computer. She was disappointed by the movie. She was disappointed by the movie. He feels bored at home. He feels bored at home. They are grateful for your help. They are grateful for your help. I am confused by this question. I am confused by this question. She felt embarrassed when she fell. She felt embarrassed when she fell. He is jealous of his friend's success. He is jealous of his friend's success. We are curious about the new neighbor. We are curious about the new neighbor. I feel calm after meditation. I feel calm after meditation. She was annoyed by the noise. She was annoyed by the noise. He feels guilty about forgetting her birthday. He feels guilty about forgetting her birthday. They are hopeful for the future. They are hopeful for the future. I am ashamed of my mistake. I am ashamed of my mistake. She felt offended by his comment. She felt offended by his comment. He is enthusiastic about the project. He is enthusiastic about the project. We are amused by the funny video. We are amused by the funny video. I feel stressed about the deadline. I feel stressed about the deadline. She was relieved when the test ended. She was relieved when the test ended. He feels insecure in large groups. He feels insecure in large groups. They are sympathetic to her situation. They are sympathetic to her situation. I am disgusted by the smell. I am disgusted by the smell. She felt affectionate toward her pet. She felt affectionate toward her pet. He is furious about the broken window. He is furious about the broken window. We are delighted with the gift. We are delighted with the gift. I feel jealous when I see their vacation photos. I feel jealous when I see their vacation photos. She was shocked by the accident. She was shocked by the accident. He feels restless at night. He feels restless at night. They are content with their life. They are content with their life. I am horrified by the news. I am horrified by the news. She felt misunderstood by her boss. She felt misunderstood by her boss. He is optimistic about the results. He is optimistic about the results. We are pessimistic about the weather. We are pessimistic about the weather. I feel numb after the tragedy. I feel numb after the tragedy. She was thrilled to meet her idol. She was thrilled to meet her idol. He feels betrayed by his best friend. He feels betrayed by his best friend. They are affectionate with each other. They are affectionate with each other. I am indifferent to the news. I am indifferent to the news. She felt hopeless during the crisis. She felt hopeless during the crisis. He is envious of her talent. He is envious of her talent. We are ashamed of our behavior. We are ashamed of our behavior. I feel appreciated at work. I feel appreciated at work. She was humiliated in front of everyone. She was humiliated in front of everyone. He feels cherished by his family. He feels cherished by his family. They are anxious about the interview. They are anxious about the interview. I am devastated by the loss. I am devastated by the loss. She felt playful after the coffee. She felt playful after the coffee. He is defensive about his actions. He is defensive about his actions. We are cheerful this morning. We are cheerful this morning. I feel gloomy on rainy days. I feel gloomy on rainy days. She was overwhelmed by the paperwork. She was overwhelmed by the paperwork. He feels misunderstood by society. He feels misunderstood by society. They are contemptuous of the rules. They are contemptuous of the rules. I am nostalgic for my childhood. I am nostalgic for my childhood. She felt refreshed after the nap. She felt refreshed after the nap. He is hesitant to speak up. He is hesitant to speak up. We are eager to start the journey. We are eager to start the journey. I feel rejected after the breakup. I feel rejected after the breakup. She was mesmerized by the sunset. She was mesmerized by the sunset. He feels trapped in his job. He feels trapped in his job. They are appreciative of your kindness. They are appreciative of your kindness. I am mortified by my error. I am mortified by my error. She felt exhilarated on the roller coaster. She felt exhilarated on the roller coaster. He feels disconnected from his friends. He feels disconnected from his friends.
Great job! You have completed Part 1, 75 sentences from A1 to B1 level. Now, let's move to the next level. Part 2, B2 to C1, Advanced Sentences. In Part 2, you will learn more advanced and natural expressions. These sentences will help you sound more fluent and expressive when talking about deeper emotions. Don't worry if some sentences feel difficult. Just stay with me and repeat. Let's begin. I couldn't help but feel a pang of jealousy when I saw their promotion. I couldn't help but feel a pang of jealousy when I saw their promotion. She was utterly devastated by the unexpected news. She was utterly devastated by the unexpected news. He felt a profound sense of relief after the surgery went well. He felt a profound sense of relief after the surgery went well. The audience was captivated by her emotional performance. The audience was captivated by her emotional performance. I'm growing increasingly frustrated with the lack of progress. I'm growing increasingly frustrated with the lack of progress. She was overcome with gratitude for their generous support. She was overcome with gratitude for their generous support. He finds himself feeling indifferent toward things that once excited him. He finds himself feeling indifferent toward things that once excited him. The criticism left me feeling somewhat inadequate. The criticism left me feeling somewhat inadequate. She felt a surge of anger when she discovered the lie. She felt a surge of anger when she discovered the lie. He was deeply moved by the veteran's story. He was deeply moved by the veteran's story. I'm torn between excitement and anxiety about the new job. I'm torn between excitement and anxiety about the new job. She felt utterly humiliated when her mistake was exposed. She felt utterly humiliated when her mistake was exposed. He experiences bouts of melancholy during the winter months. He experiences bouts of melancholy during the winter months. The injustice of the situation filled me with righteous anger. The injustice of the situation filled me with righteous anger. She was ecstatic beyond words when she received the offer. She was ecstatic beyond words when she received the offer. He felt a wave of nostalgia wash over him as he entered his old school. He felt a wave of nostalgia wash over him as he entered his old school. I'm somewhat ambivalent about the proposed changes. I'm somewhat ambivalent about the proposed changes. She felt a strong sense of alienation after moving to the big city. She felt a strong sense of alienation after moving to the big city. His condensing tone made me feel utterly belittled. His condensing tone made me feel utterly belittled. I was pleasantly surprised by the outcome of the negotiation. I was pleasantly surprised by the outcome of the negotiation. She felt an overwhelming sense of dread before the presentation. She felt an overwhelming sense of dread before the presentation. He was brimming with confidence after the successful pitch. He was brimming with confidence after the successful pitch. The constant interruptions are driving me up the wall. The constant interruptions are driving me up the wall. She felt a flicker of hope despite the grim diagnosis. She felt a flicker of hope despite the grim diagnosis. He was consumed by guilt for years after the incident. He was consumed by guilt for years after the incident. I find their behavior utterly baffling and unreasonable. I find their behavior utterly baffling and unreasonable. She felt a deep sense of fulfillment after finishing the marathon. She felt a deep sense of fulfillment after finishing the marathon. He was seething with resentment, but chose to remain silent. He was seething with resentment, but chose to remain silent. I'm growing weary of their endless excuses. I'm growing weary of their endless excuses. She felt completely liberated after quitting her toxic job. She felt completely liberated after quitting her toxic job. His unexpected apology left me feeling somewhat disarmed. His unexpected apology left me feeling somewhat disarmed. I was horrified by the sheer scale of the disaster. I was horrified by the sheer scale of the disaster. She felt an inexplicable connection to the stranger. She felt an inexplicable connection to the stranger. He is perpetually anxious about things beyond his control. He is perpetually anxious about things beyond his control. The movie's ending left me feeling emotionally drained. The movie's ending left me feeling emotionally drained. She felt a twinge of regret as she watched the train leave. She felt a twinge of regret as she watched the train leave. He was euphoric for days after winning the competition. He was euphoric for days after winning the competition. I'm deeply skeptical of their so-called good intentions. I'm deeply skeptical of their so-called good intentions. She felt utterly powerless to change the situation. She felt utterly powerless to change the situation.
She felt emotionally bankrupt after years of caregiving. She felt emotionally bankrupt after years of caregiving. His sudden outburst caught everyone off guard. His sudden outburst caught everyone off guard. I'm beginning to feel suffocated by all these roles. I'm beginning to feel suffocated by all these roles. She felt a childish glee when she saw the puppy. She felt a childish glee when she saw the puppy. He was deeply humbled by the community's support. He was deeply humbled by the community's support. I feel a strange mixture of pity and contempt for him. I feel a strange mixture of pity and contempt for him. She felt an unexpected jolt of fear when the phone rang late at night. She felt an unexpected jolt of fear when the phone rang late at night. He is relentlessly cheerful, which can be exhausting. He is relentlessly cheerful, which can be exhausting. I finally feel at peace with my decision after months of doubt. I finally feel at peace with my decision after months of doubt. Congratulations! You've just practiced 150 English sentences about feelings and reactions. This is a big step forward. Now, your mouth is getting used to natural English. Your brain is connecting emotions with the right words, and your confidence is growing. If you repeat this video every day for 1 week, you will notice a powerful improvement in your speaking. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and remember, fluency is not about perfection. It's about expressing yourself with confidence. If you found this lesson helpful, like the video, comment your favorite sentence, subscribe for more English practice videos, and most importantly, keep speaking, keep improving. See you in the next lesson.